Let's talk about why spinach is one of the most rewarding and nutritious crops we can grow right at home. Spinach is a powerhouse leafy green packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate, important for strong immunity, healthy blood, and glowing skin. It also contains iron, which helps boost energy levels. Homegrown spinach is especially rich in nutrients because you harvest it fresh. No long transport or storage time that reduces its nutrients. When harvesting spinach, always pick the outer leaves first and leave the younger leaves in the center. This allows the plant to keep growing, giving you continuous harvests for many weeks. Use clean hands or scissors to avoid damaging the plant. And remember, morning harvests help keep the leaves crisp and full of moisture. Spinach loves cool weather and moist, rich soil. Add compost or homemade fertilizers like banana peels or bone meals for stronger leaves. If your spinach starts forming flowers, that means it's bolting. Harvest quickly because the leaves become bitter when the plant focuses on making seeds. You can enjoy your spinach in salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. It's delicious, and it supports a healthy lifestyle straight from the garden to your. Thank you for joining me in the garden today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fresh harvests from Melos Homestead. See you in the next video. And remember, keep growing, keep glowing.